Okay. Can you see the, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So where is, yeah, okay. 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 So can you see the paper?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, so there are so I told you how you can write these this is the title, this is the author, then you have the abstract, then you have the index terms. All these things are here. You can just see them, You have the title, you have the author, then you have the abstract, then you have the keywords. So all that will come, and then you actually basically choose sections as I told you. So these are the star ones are unnumbered sections. That means it would not give you a number, and these will give you a number, the ones without the star. So anyway, so then you have these sections that I've written. You can see one section, then there is a second section, third section, fourth section, then there is a fifth section of conclusion. There is some acknowledgement, and then there are references. So today our task is going to be how is it that we add certain references, and how is it that we cite them in the paper. If you can see over here, the first word that I've written is Paul Trap, and then there is something one written over here. This one is basically this reference over here. It's a paper. It's actually a very, very seminal. It's a great paper by W. Paul in 1990. He gave this paper. Actually, the work was done quite much earlier by him, but then this was a paper in which he gave all this work. And my PhD is primarily based on this trap, and he got a Nobel Prize for this, Wolfgang Paul. So I worked on electromagnetic traps. Anyways, so this is a paper uh, that has been referred to over here. Okay, so let me just run this and let's see how it looks like. Yeah. So if you look at it, then this you can see that I have generated a PDF, and it looks like Paul Trap, and then there is one. This one means I'm referring this paper here. This here. Okay, so the first task that we'll do today is we should be able to write a reference, and we should be able to put a citation wherever we want to do it. Okay, so let's learn how to do that. Okay, is the paper visible again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, great. So let's see. If I click this, you see there is a page of Lix that opens that tells you how you can actually write citations. All the references that I have given them some nicknames over here. These are all the references, and I'll show you where these nicknames actually are. These are the nicknames over here. I'll tell you how you put them. So Paul is there, then there is some Bruce Wise, then there is Home, there is Drewson, Thompson, Dubé, McLachlan, I don't know, some weird names. But anyway, so these are the short forms over here, and we use them to cite papers. So let me just tell you how to do it. So you come here on the top, and so this was for figure, this was for table, label I'll tell you later. This is insert cross reference and insert citation. So what you do is, suppose I want to put some citation over here after charged. So I come over here, I give a space, and then I go to this point which says insert citation. I press it, this page opens that had opened earlier when I had pressed 1, and I look for whatever I want to add. So I already have these references here. Let me just add a more to it. If you press this, then the paper that you're adding will come over here. All you need to do is press this add, and you have to press OK, and you can see that this reference has come over here. Now, if I save it and I generate a PDF, this reference 46 has come over here. See. So this is simply how, this is as simple as that you can add a reference. Now at this place, I could, probably add more than one reference. So I open over here again. Let's say that I want to add this also. So I put add. Then I want to add this also. Then I put add. I want to add this also. I put add. So the sequence in which you add them, starting from top to bottom, these are the sequences in which the numbers are going to appear. So if I press OK, you can see all these papers are there. So the first one, the Amor paper is 46th reference. The Asadi paper is 41 reference. Bermuda's paper is 21 and Borland paper is 38. Usually this is not a good practice to write references in the sense that you should always have an ascending order as far as possible. But anyways, just to tell you how you can actually work with it, I kind of, did that. And you can delete whichever you want to delete like this. So I've deleted all of them. And you can just, if you just want to delete it from here, you go like this and it gets deleted. Let's just do it again. So you come over here, any reference you want to add, just add 2, 3, add them, and you just press OK. All of them come over here. Let's see how they look like. And they would look like in the paper, something like this. So 3 references, they write like this. In